Welcome back to Classic Motors. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of 2025, the Lucid Air Sapphire. This is a luxury electric sedan that combines high-end performance with advanced technology and stunning design. Let's dive right into the details and see what makes this car stand out. Starting with the exterior, the Lucid Air Sapphire is a marvel of modern design. It has an ultra-sleek and futuristic look that is both elegant and aerodynamic. The front features slim LED headlights with a sharp, almost aggressive stance, giving the car a distinctive presence on the road. The overall shape is smooth and streamlined, which helps with aerodynamics and efficiency. The light bar at the back is another standout feature, giving the rear an elegant and clean look. The Sapphire trim also comes with exclusive design elements, including special wheels and accents that add to the sporty feel of the car. Now, stepping inside, the Lucid Air Sapphire offers a cabin that's just as impressive as its exterior. The materials used are top-notch, with premium leather, sustainable wood trims, and soft touch surfaces everywhere you look. The dashboard features a massive 34-inch curved glass display, which provides all the necessary information for the driver, from navigation to vehicle stats. There's also a floating center console with additional screens for controlling the car's settings, including the climate and entertainment system. The seats are extremely comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives, and in the Sapphire Edition, they come with exclusive stitching and design details that give the interior an extra luxurious touch. When it comes to performance, the Lucid Air Sapphire really shines. This car is equipped with a tri-motor setup that delivers an astounding 1,200 horsepower. It's designed to be a high-performance sedan, and it doesn't disappoint. The 0 to 60 mph time is under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric cars on the market. The handling is sharp, and thanks to the adaptive suspension, it offers both a comfortable ride for everyday driving and sportier dynamics for when you want to push the car to its limits. And with a range of over 400 miles on a single charge, it's as practical as it is powerful. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The Lucid Air Sapphire starts at around $250,000, placing it in the high-end luxury category. While the price is steep, you're getting cutting-edge technology, top-tier performance, and a design that's second to none. This is a car for those who want the ultimate electric driving experience. That's it for today's review of the Lucid Air Sapphire 2025. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay tuned to Classic Motors for more in-depth car reviews and insights.